In the markets that we follow, we are seeing a trend that we have not seen in years. It's Mark's Market Update. Mark Gellman, St. Louis, Missouri, eXp Realty. We are seeing 2,023 active listings for April, about 50% of what they were in just April of 2019. It is an incredible low amount of active listings. However, what's even more interesting is that we're seeing a greater decrease in the amount of sales April 2023 versus April 2022. For example, St. Louis County, number of unit sales are down 26.5% year over year April. In St. Louis City, down 36% year over year April. And in St. Charles County, unit sales are down over 21% year over year April. What is happening in the market? There are just not enough homes. And what happened goes back to pre-COVID and pre-June, July of 2022, where we finally were starting to see builders getting active again. But what happened is interest rates, as we talked about, rose. And as they rose, and they rose into the 7%, buyers got paralyzed. Buyers stopped buying. Buyers stopped buying, caused builders to pull back. And then the iBuyers, the institutional Wall Street buyers, pulled back. So now, as we've talked about, buyers becoming numb to the higher interest rates. Buyers are back in the market. Almost every great home has multiple offers, over asking, waiving all contingencies. There just are not enough sellers today. Builders are way behind because, again, they froze in June, July, August, September, and now they're back, but they can't keep up with the pace. What we're projecting is, as we get into June, July this year, we believe that interest rates are going to go down. And it's a little bit disappointing for a buyer because as interest rates go down, which is good news for their loan, the competition will go up and prices will go up. So with that being said, we don't see an increase in inventory. We see an increase in competition as interest rates change. And this is a market that we don't expect to change very much. If you're a seller, get your home on the market. If you're a buyer, you're going to have the appetite to participate in today's market. Multiple offers, over asking, waiving a lot of contingencies. If you have any questions about the value of homes, the value of your home, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you so much and have an amazing day.